Hi guys, welcome back to See Natural DIY. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this papaya seed oil, and this oil is basically for the scalp, to massage the scalp, and also for the skin. As you all know, this oil is beneficial, it lightens and tones the skin. Let's get started. So to get started, I'm going to measure out the oil. In this tutorial, I'm using fractionated coconut oil, and this is the brand I used. So I'm going to write out the ingredient and the measurements, the exact measurement I use for this oil. It will be on the screen as you watch the video. So I'm going to start with cutting this papaya. And remember, my focus is on the seed, not on the skin. So I'm going to take out the seed because that's what I need for this oil. So after bringing out the seed from the papaya, I measured out 63 grams of papaya seed. For the scale, I'm measuring with the bowl I use, so that's why you're seeing a different number. Then I used 63 grams of papaya seed, and I added 50 grams of fractionated coconut oil. So for this tutorial, you can use any oil of choice, but because of this tutorial, I want you to see the color when it extracts the nutrients from the papaya seed. If not, I would have used any other oil. But I would advise, if you're making this oil, please use a lightweight oil that will not clog pores, that you can use on your skin and scalp safely without having any issue. And that's why I choose fractionated coconut oil. You can as well, I'm suggesting other oils for you. You can use grapeseed oil, you can use jojoba oil, you can use sunflower oil. This oil I mentioned are lightweight, so they are less likely to clog pores. So at this point, after heating it up on a low heat, remember on a low heat, very low heat, and at first you notice that it will be foaming. Once it stops foaming, then you know the oil is ready. Allow it to cool down for a bit, and at this point you see I'm straining the oil. So after straining it with after filtering the oil with a strainer, then I go in with a cheesecloth to make sure there's no particles in the oil. Like I said earlier, this will be used on the skin and the scalp, so I don't want any particles in it. That's why I had to go in with a cheesecloth. So like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this oil has all the benefits you can think you need on your skin. It promotes wound recovery because it has antimicrobial activity that kills bacteria, and it also helps dissolve excess sebum, and it also helps to unclog pores. So thank you for watching this video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do so and hit the subscribe button, okay, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload any video.